फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 12 एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 7 ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिसीज। तो गाइस यहाँ पे हम सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ताकि आप इस चैप्टर को कम से कम समय में रिवाइज कर सके और आपका टाइम भी बच जाए। और मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ कि जो भी मैं आपको बताऊँगा, जो भी मैं आपको पढ़ाऊँगा, वहाँ से 101% क्वेश्चन आएगा और आपका एक भी क्वेश्चन नीट के एग्जाम में छूटने वाला नहीं है। और ये चैप्टर नीट के एग्जाम के लिए लगभग 4 क्वेश्चन का वेटेज रखता है। तो चलो डिस्कस करेंगे एनी विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। Discovery of blood circulation by Williams and Havery using experimental method and the demonstrations of normal body temperature। तो ब्लड की डिस्कवरी किन्होंने की थी? विलियम एंड हेवरी ने। In a person with a vague bile using a thermometer, this proved the good humor hypothesis of health. Health does not simply means absence of disease or physical fitness. It is could be defined as the state of complete फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग। यहाँ पे हम इन्फेक्शन एंड नॉन इन्फेक्शन के डिसीज के बारे में बात करेंगे। डिसीज विच आर इजिली ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू द अनदर पर्सन इज कॉल्ड द इन्फेक्शन डिसीज। और यहाँ पे कुछ इन्फेक्शन डिसीज आर वेरी कॉमन एंड वेरी वन यूज सफर फ्रॉम दिस एट सम टाइम एंड और अदर सम इज इन्फेक्शंस डिसीज लाइक एडस आर फेटल अमंग द नॉन इन्फेक्शन डिसीज कैंसर एंड मेजर काउज ऑफ द डेथ। Common disease in humans. Salmonella typhi is a pathogenic bacteria which causes typhoid fever in human beings. This is pathogen generally enter the small intestine throughout the food and water, contaminate with them and migrate to other organs throughout the blood. Sustain high fever 39 to 40 degrees Celsius. Weakness, stomach pain, constipations, headache and lost appetite. These are some of the common symptoms of this disease. Intestinal perforations and that may be occur in such cases. Typhoid fever could be confirmed by the Vidal test. Bacteria like Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza are responsible for the disease pneumonia. In human, which is infect the alveolar air fillet sac of the lungs. As result of the infections, the alveoli get filled with the fluid leading to the serve problems in the respiration. The symptoms of pneumonia include fever, chills, cough and headache. In some cases, lip and fingernails may be turned grey to bluish in color. A healthy person acquires the infection by the inhaling the droplet aerosols releases by the infection person by the even sharing the glasses utensils with the infected person. Dysentery, plague, diphtheria are some of other bacterial disease in men. Rhinovirus represents one of such as group virus which are cause one of the most infection the human elements such as common cold infection, nose and respiratory passages but not a lung. The common cold is characterized by the nasals, congestion and discharge, sore throat and hoarseness and cough and headache and tightness. Act which is usually last 3 to 7 days. Droplet result from the cough and sneeze of uninfected persons. Either inhaled directly, transmitted through the contaminated objects such as pen, books, doorknob and computer keyboards or mouse, and cause infection in a healthy person. Some of the human diseases are caused by the protozoans like malaria. Malaria's disease man has been fighting since maybe years. Plasmodium and tiny protozoan is responsible for the disease. Different species of the Plasmodium, P. vivax, P. malarias and P. falciparum are the responsible for different type of malaria. Of the malignant malaria caused by the Plasmodium falciparum is the most of the serious and one of can even fatal. And let us take the glands and life cycle. Plasmodium enter the human body as sporocytes. Infections form throughout the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. Parasites initially multiply within the liver cell and then attack to the red blood cells. RBCs resulting in their rupture. The rupture of RBC associated with the release the toxins substance hemogens, which are responsible for the chills and high fever and recurring every 3 to 4 days. Parasite multiply within them to form porocytes that are stored in their salivary gland. Entamoeba histolytica is a protozoan parasite in the large intestine of human which caused by amoebasis dysentery. Symptoms of this disease caused by including the constipations, abdominal pain and cramps and stools and with excess mucus and blood clot and houseflies act as the mechanical carriers and thus transmit the parasite from the feces of infected person to the foods. and food products, thereby contaminated them. Drinking water and food contaminated by the fecal matter and main source of the infections. Ascaris, the common roundworm, Vaucheria, filarial worms are some of the helminthes which are known as the pathogenic to man. Ascaris, an intestinal parasite, causes ascaris. Symptoms of this disease include internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia, and blockage of the intestinal passage. The egg of the parasite are extracted along with the feces of infected person which contaminated soil, water, plants. Eggs. A healthy person acquires this infection through contaminated water, vegetable, and fruit. Vaucheria, W. bronchitis, and B. malalis, the filarial worms, causes slowly developing chronic inflammations of the organ which is they are live from many years. Usually, the lymphatic vessel of the lower limbs, and the disease is called the elephantiasis or filariasis. The genital organs are also often affected, resulting in the gross deformities. The pathogens are transmitted to the healthy person through the bite by the female mosquitoes vector. Many fungi belong to the genera Microsporums, Trichophytans, and Epidermophytans are the responsible for the ringworm, which one of the most common infection disease in men. Appearance of dry, scaly lesion on various parts of the body, such as skin, nails, and scalp, are the main symptoms of the disease. This is the lesions are the accompanied by the instant itching, heat, and moisture help the fungi to grow, which is make them thrive in this skin folds, such as those in the growing or between those. Ringworm are generally acquired from the soil or by the using towels and cloth or even combs infected individuals. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इम्यूनिटी. इम्यूनिटी के दो प्रकार होते हैं, इनट इम्यूनिटी एंड एक्वायर इम्यूनिटी. फर्स्ट टाइप है इनट इम्यूनिटी. Innate immunity is non-specific type of defense. It's that presents at the birth times. This accomplishes by the providing different type of barriers. 4 type of barriers, जैसे कि फर्स्ट है फिजिकल बैरियर. फिजिकल बैरियर में स्किन ओवर द बॉडी इज द मेन बैरियर विच इज प्रिवेंट एंट्री ऑफ द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. म्यूकस कंटेनिंग ऑफ द एपिथेलियम lining the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and urogenital tract also help in trapping microbes entering our body. Next, physiological barriers. Acid in the stomach, saliva in the mouth, tear from eyes, all prevent microbial growth. Third, cellular barrier. Certain type of leukocyte WBC of our body like polymorphonuclear leukocyte PMNL neutrophils, monocyte, and natural killer type of lymphocyte in the blood as well as macrophage in tissues can phagocytes and destroy the microbes. Fourth, cytokine barriers. Virus infected cell secrete proteins called interference which protect non-infected cell from further viral infection. Second type, acquired immunity. Acquired immunity pathogenic and specific होती है, characterized by the memories. Pathogen for the first time it is produced response called primary response. Secondary anamnestic response. This is ascribed by to the fact that our body appear the have a memory of the first encounter. The primary and secondary immune response are carried out with the help of two facial type of the lymphocytes present in our blood, जैसे कि B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte. The B lymphocytes can produce an army protein in response to the pathogen into our blood to fight with them. The proteins are called antibodies. The T cell themselves do not secrete antibodies but help B cell to the produce them. Each antibody molecule has a 4 peptide chain, 2 small called light chain and 2 longer called heavy chains. Hence, an antibody represented as H2L2. Different type of antibodies are produced in our body: IgA, IgM, IgE, IgG. Because of the antibody found in the blood response to us called humoral immune response. Cell mediated immunity CMI. The lymphocyte mediated CMI very often when some of the organ like heart, eyes, liver, kidney fail to function. Satisfactory transplantation is the only remedy to the enable the patient to live normal life. Cell mediated immune response is responsible for the graft rejections. Active and passive immunity. Antibody are produced in the host body. This type of immunity is called the active immunity. Active immunity slow and take time to grow, give it is full effect response. It ejecting the microbes deliberated during the immunizations or infections organisms and gaining access into body during the natural infection induce active immunity. When ready-made antibodies are directly given to the product and the body against origin against, it is called the passive immunity. Like Elovis fluid colostrum secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation has abundant antibodies IgA to protect the infant. The fetus also receive the some antibody from their mothers throughout placenta during the pregnancy. These are some example of passive immunities. Vaccination and immunization based on the property of the memory of the immune system. In vaccination, preparation of the antigenic proteins, vaccine also generate memory B and T cells. If person infected with some deadly microbes to which quick immune response is required, as in tetanus, we need to directly inject the performed antibodies or antitoxins. Preparation of contaminating antibodies to toxins, even in case snake bite, injection which given to the patients contain performed and antibodies against the snake venom. This is type of immunization is called the passive immunization. Recombinant DNA technology has allowed the production of antigenic polypeptide of pathogen in bacteria or yeast. Vaccines produced using this approach allow the large scale production and hence greater availability for immunization. Example, hepatitis B vaccine produced from the yeast. Allergy. When you have gone to a new place and suddenly you started sneezing and wheezing for not explained reasons, and when you went to away for your symptom disparate, did this happen? You sensitive some of the particles in the environment. The above the mentioned reaction could be because of the allergy to pollens, might which are different in different place. The accelerated response of the immune system to certain antibodies, antigens present in the environment is called the allergy. This substance to which such as immune response is produced are called allergens. Antibodies produced to this are of IgE types. Common type example allergy are the mite in dust, pollen, animals, dander. Symptoms of allergy reactions include sneezing, watery eyes, running nose, and difficulty in breathing. Allergy is due to the release of chemical like histamine and serotonin from the mast cell. The use of drug like antihistamine and adrenalines and steroid quick reduce the symptoms of allergy. Autoimmunity, memory-based acquired immunity evaluated in higher vertebrata based on the ability to differentiate foreign organisms, example pathogens from cells, cell, while we still do not understand the basis of these two correlates of this ability have to be understood. This result in the damage to the body and is called the autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, which are affected many persons in our society in autoimmune disease. Lymphoid organs. These organs where origin and maturations or proliferations lymphocyte occur. The primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow and thymus where when immature lymphocyte differentiated into antigen sensitive lymphocyte. After the maturation of the lymphocyte migrate to the secondary lymphoid organs like spleen, lymphnode, tonsil, pair, patches of small intestine and appendix. The secondary lymphoid organs provide the site for interactions of lymphocyte with the antigens, which then proliferated to become effector cells. Location of various lymphoid organs in the human body is shown in figure. Lymphoid node, thymus, lymphatic vessels. The bone marrow is the main lymphoid organs where all the blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. The thymus is a lobed organ located near the heart beneath the breastbones. The thymus is quite large at the time of birth but keep reducing in the size with age, and by the time of puberty its attention to the reduced to the very small size. Both bone marrow and thymus provide a micro environment for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. The spleen is a large bean-shaped organ. It is mainly contain lymphocytes and phagocytes, and it is act as the filter of the blood by the trapping blood bones microbes. Organisms spleen also has a large reserve of erythrocytes. There is a lymphoid tissues also located within the lining of the major tract, respiratory, digestive, and urogenital tracts, called mucosa. Associated lymphoid tissues marked. It is contain about 50% of the lymphoid tissue in human body. AIDS, acquired immunodefensive syndromes. This when defensive immune system acquired during the lifetime of the individual, indicating that is not conjunctional disease. Syndrome means group of symptoms. AIDS was the first reported 1981. Last 25 years also has spread all over the world, killing the more than 25 million persons. AIDS is caused by the human immunodefensive virus HIV, member of group virus called retrovirus, immunolog including the RNA genomes. ये फैलता कैसे है? सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट विद द इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन, एंड बी बाय द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द कंटामिनेटेड ब्लड एंड blood products, C by the sharing of infected needle in the cases intravenous drug abuse, and D from the infected mother to her child throughout placenta. HIV only spread throughout the body fluid. This period may be vary from few months to many years, usually 5 to 10 years. After getting into body, the person's virus enter into macrophage, where RNA genome of the virus replicated to from viral DNA with the help of the enzyme reverse transcripted. The macrophage constitute the produce virus, and this way acts like HIV factories. Simultaneously, HIV enter into helper T lymphocyte TH, and the progeny virus release it in the blood attack other helper T lymphocytes. This is the repeated leading to the progressive decreases in the number of T lymphocytes in the body of the infected person. During this period of the person suffer from the bouts of fevers, diarrhea, and weight loss due to the decrease in the number of helper T lymphocytes. The person start from the suffering from the infected could have been otherwise overcome, such as those due to bacteria, especially microbacterium, virus, fungi, and even parasite like toxoplasms. The patient becomes so immune defense that she is unable to protect herself against this infection. A wide used by the diagnostic the test for the ADAS enzyme linkage immunodefenses immunosorbent is ELISA. Treatment of the ADAS with antiretroviral drug only partially effective. Cancer is one of the most dreaded disease of the human beings and is major cause of the death all over the globe. More than millions of Indians suffer from this cancer, and large number of them died from the annually. The mechanism of the underived development of the cancer, oncogenic transformation of the cell. Normal cell show property called contact inhibitions. यहाँ पे 2 टाइप्स ऑफ कैंसर है, जैसे कि मालिग्नेंट ट्यूमर्स नॉर्मली रिमेन कन्फाइनमेंट टू देयर ओरिजिनल लोकेशन, डू नॉट स्प्रेड टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, cause little damage. The malignant tumors, one of the other hand, mass of the proliferating cell called neoplastic or tumor cell. These cells grow very rapidly, invading and damaging the surrounding normal tissues. Tumor reach distant site throughout the blood, and where they get located in the body. The start new tumor, their properties called metastatics. The most favorite property of malignant tumors, cause of cancer, transformation of normal cell into the cancerous cells. Neoplastic cell may be induced by the physical, chemical, biological agents. These agents are called karyogenesis, ionizing radiation like X-ray and gamma rays, and non-ionizing radiation like ultraviolet rays, UV rays, cause DNA damage leading to the neoplastic transformation. The chemical cryogenics present in the tobacco smoke have been identified as the major cause of the lung cancer. Cancer causing virus called oncogenic virus have genes called viral oncogenesis. Furthermore, several genes called cellular oncogenesis, co-oncogenesis, proto-oncogenesis have been identified in the normal cell, which is when the activated under the certain conditions could lead to the oncogenic transformation of the cell. Cancer detection and diagnosis. Cancer detection is based on the biopsy and histopathological study on the tissues and blood and bone marrow test. Technique like radiography यूज एक्सरे, CT compound, tomographies and MRI, magnetic resonance images are very useful to detect cancer of the internal organs. Treatment of cancer. The common approach for treatment of cancer are surgery, radiation therapy, immunotherapy. In radiotherapies, tumor cells are irrigated lethally, taking proper care of the normal tissues surrounding the tumor mass. Several chemotherapy drugs are used to kill cancerous cells. Some of these are specific for particular tumors. Majority of drugs have side effects like hair loss, anemia, act. Most cancers are treated by the combination of surgery, radiotherapy, and chemotherapies. Tumor cells have been shown and to avoid the detection and destruction by the immune systems. Therefore, the patients are given substance called biological response modifiers such as alpha interference, which activated the immune system and help in destroying the tumors. Next, very important topics: drug and alcohol abuse. Drug which is commonly abused are opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. Majority of the drugs obtained from the flowering plants, some obtained from the fungi. Opioids are the drugs which bind to the specific opioid receptor present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Heroin, commonly called smack, is chemically diacetylmorphine, which is white, odorless, bitter crystalline compound. This is obtained by the acetylmorphine, which extract from the latex of the papaya plant, Papaver somniferus. Cannabinoids are group of chemicals which interacted with the cannabinoid receptor present in the principally in brain. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescences of the plant cannabinoid sativa. The flower tops, leaves, and resin cannabinoids plants are used various combinations to the produce marijuana, hashish, and chara and ganja. Generally taken by the inhalation and injections, are known as the effect on the cardiovascular system of the body. Coca alkaloid or cocaine is obtained from the coca plant Erythroxylum coca, native to the South America. It is interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. Cocaine, commonly called coke or crack, is usually snorted. It has a potent stimulation action on the central nervous system, producing the sense or euphoria and increases the energy. Excessive doses of the cocaine cause hallucination. Our well known as the plant which is hallucination properties are Atropa, belladonna, and dhatura. These days, cannabinoids are also being abused by some sport persons. Drugs like beributris, amphetamine, benzodiazepines, and other similar drugs that are normally used as medicine to help patients cope with the mental illness like depression and insomnia are often abused. Morphine is a very effective sedative painkiller and very useful in patients who have undergone surgery. Tobacco has been used by human beings for more than 400 years. It's smoked, shaved, or used as smoked. Tobacco contains a large number of chemical substances, including nicotines and alkaloids. Nicotine stimulated adrenal glands and release adrenaline and non-adrenals into the blood circulation, which rise blood pressure and increase the heart rate. Smoking is associated with the interacted incidence of cancer of lungs, urinary bladder and throat, bronchi and emphysema, coronary heart disease, gastric ulcer. तो गाइस यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर ख़त्म होता है, क्योंकि जो बाकी के टॉपिक है वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, वहाँ से क्वेश्चन नहीं बनते हैं. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. हम डेंगू और चिकनगुनिया भी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में डिस्कस करेंगे.